Hi guys, I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making hemp protein bars. It is a super easy snack, high protein bar to keep on hand for when you're in the need. We are going to start with our food processor, and I'm going to put 2 cups of medjool dates in the base of my food processor, and I'm just going to process these until we have a really nice date paste. Okay, so I let my dates process for about a minute, maybe even 2. You can see they're all kind of clumped together and they've made like a big mush, honestly. There's no better way to put it. So that's our date paste. So now that that's in there, I can add the rest of my ingredients. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of raw almonds. I'm gonna add half a cup of almond butter. And this again is gonna be like a no sugar, it's an oil-free, like it's just roasted almonds that are ground into a butter. And then I'm gonna add half a cup of hemp protein powder. So this is purely ground up hemp seeds essentially. So it's just organic hemp protein powder. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of pure maple. So we need a little bit of liquid just to help get this all together. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon powder. So this will help flavor it a little bit too. So now that everything is in here, I'm ready to blend again. Cool, so this blended for several minutes, and you'll see that now it's kind of all clumped together on one side of the food processor. So essentially it should make one big ball of dough. And now that this is done, I'm gonna set this to the side and bring in my pans that we're gonna actually make the bars with. Okay, so now that I have my protein bar dough, essentially, I'm also gonna use these silicone molds, so they're just little squares. I'm going to place it in each square evenly and then freeze these so that they set for just about an hour, and then you can pop them up, put them in like a Ziploc bag or however you wanna store them. In any type of food container, and then you can take them with you as you go. If you don't have these silicone molds, you can also just do a regular square, like a pop-up baking dish or anything like that. You could even use plastic Tupperware if you want to. Anything will really work, but we just want to essentially put them in something so that we can freeze them and help them set and solidify a little bit. So I'm just gonna evenly spread these out, and then we'll put them in the freezer. All right, so we got all of our batter put into these little molds. And again, if you're not using molds, you can just spread it out evenly on your pan. We're gonna put this in the freezer for about an hour, let them set, and then they're ready to pop out and enjoy. Be sure to comment below, subscribe, and I will see you next time.